Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a monster truck. So let's begin the drawing. We draw a straight line on top. First we draw the front part of this truck. Then we are going to do all the details. Let's put a headlight here. And in the bottom part, a strong line, bumper. Then we put a outline here like this. And we draw a straight line, then another outline here. We can connect the front part like this, then the back side of the truck is like this, and another headlight we are going to draw here for the back side. Now we are going to draw the wheel. So this is going to be the front wheel. Let's connect the curve line to the other point. Let's draw a smaller circle inside the bigger one, and very smaller circle for the center point. Then we are going to draw the rear wheel. All right. And we draw a smaller circle inside that one, and a center circle. For the main body part, we extend a line like this, and we draw a square under it. And on the top part, we draw the window for the driving seat. Another small window behind it. All right. So you can see that the outline is growing on. So you have to watch what's going on here. Then we draw two parallel lines for the bumper. Another two parallel line here. Let's draw two lines here. Okay, these are the structural parts of the monster truck. Let's connect the upper body part like this here, and another upper body part. It's a straight line like here. All right, we can put a handlebar at the back like this, and a few headlights on top. And in the back. Okay, so this is almost done. Now the wheels are on the ground, so this is the ground. Let's put some colors for the truck here. You can see the colors. All right, So the truck here, we're going to do the details along the windows and the other parts. All right, front part is done. All right, this is the chassis on the back side. Let's put a slightly different color for the backside part. Here you can see it's little darker than the previous one, and it has a slightly reddish tone like the red color tone here. Okay, same color, the metal bar, as you can see, and the extended part under the body. All right, we can draw the bumper with it. It just shows the steel part. For the headlight, we can use the orange color. On the side and on top of it, let's see the orange color. Also, we put the dark shade for the bumper. For the glasses, we can use the blue shade. So you see the blue color here. All right. Also, we put the black color for the tire part. This color is going to be uniform. The shades should be uniform because of the rotation of the wheels. The colors in the wheel is quite uniform. Black is the common color. Usually all types of tires looks black. Okay, so the drawing is almost done. Now we can put the crayon color under it to show the ground. Alright, so this is the drawing. I hope you like the video. All you need to do is to do practice at home and try to do more perfect drawing. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like the video, and next we are going to bring more interesting videos. Thanks for watching again, and until then, stay well, stay healthy, stay nice. Have a good day.